Hey guys, it's Shaan, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to sync audio in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. But before we go ahead and get started, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and smash that like button. But other than that, let's get started. So jumping straight into Adobe Premiere Pro CC, over here to sync the audio, the first thing you guys want to do is obviously create a new sequence. And you guys can do this in any way that you guys want. As you know, once you guys have created the sequence, you guys want to import all the files that you'll need. Over here I already have my two files that I will be recording using to sync the audio over here. And easily you guys just want to, if you guys can see over here, this is how it sounds with the camera itself over here. In the actual audio from my camera, because there is no actual mic attached to my camera, compared to the audio that I will be syncing to it over here that you guys will hear. Actual audio from my camera, because there is no actual. Now obviously you guys can manually go ahead and try to sync it up the best way as you guys can do, but that will take a long time just to find out, especially with the peaks, and you guys could be a couple seconds off. Plugged into it, like that's why you guys can see you can be a couple seconds off, what could be quite annoying after a little while. So you guys obviously will just want to go ahead and make Adobe Premiere Pro do it for you over here. So to do this, you guys want to click on the video file with the audio and the other tracks that you guys have, and you guys want to right click on merge clips. And over here you guys can give it any name. Over here it's called merge. Make sure it's on audio track. There's only one track over here. I did record this in mono, and my camera was in stereo. I didn't want to record in stereo over there, but it's up to you. Off the phone I didn't want to, so just click on that. Now you guys have the option of removing the audio clip from the actual video, what I don't usually like doing, and this is for another reason what I will show you in a couple of seconds. So over here you guys just want to click on OK, and then it has merged it up. Now the reason why I don't always like deleting the track at the same time is because sometimes it could be a second off and you guys can manually correct it, but most of the time it is synced up perfectly, as you guys can see over here. It should be. So this is the difference between the actual audio, and then obviously you guys can go ahead and unlink it and go ahead and replace it if you guys want, and this is how it would sound. So this is the difference between the actual audio from my camera, because there is no actual mic attached to my camera itself, and the audio from my phone that I will be replacing it in sync. Now you guys can probably tell the difference, the camera, and that is how you guys practically replace the audio and sync it all within Premiere Pro. And it makes it so much more easier because you guys don't have to manually go ahead, zoom in, and make sure it's exactly on the peaks that you guys want, and it does it all for you. As you guys saw before, if I just undo both of these, you guys can see it found out that it was right over here, and right over here. I didn't have to manually go ahead and find that out. Now obviously by the peaks you guys can go ahead and look at this, but then again, not everyone would know that, right? Like, so it's a lot easier when it's like this, as it syncs it up for you, and you guys can manually go ahead and delete the tracks and have a perfectly synced audio, as you guys can see over here, and it's really helpful. But that is how you guys go ahead and sync audio from Adobe Premiere Pro CC. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you guys go ahead and click on that subscribe button and turn on post notifications. Share it with your friends if you guys did really like it, and follow my social media links down in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.